Introducing 80 Red Cedar Court in the lovely community of Holly Forest in beautiful Sapphire, North Carolina. This delightful log home sits at the crest of a fabulous lot overlooking Little Hogback Creek. Enjoy both rear decks as you take in the peaceful sounds of the flowing stream. This home features an open floor plan with vaulted ceilings and skylights, 2 bedrooms and bath on the main floor, and a private bedroom and bath in the upper level. The comfortable living area features wood floors and a stone wood-burning fireplace. The large basement may be finished, and you could easily add another bedroom or family room. And you'll love the fire pit and swing by the creek. Located only minutes from the heart of Sapphire Valley, recreation amenities are included when you purchase this lovely home. A fitness center, swimming pools, tennis, golf, a track, a private lake, a ski slope, and more are available for you to enjoy. Call Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Meadows Mountain Realty today to schedule your private tour of this wonderful property.